Hi guys! Welcome to another video from the IELTS workshop. My name is Phương. Today, I'm gonna introduce you guys some sample answers for IELTS Speaking Part 3, topic movies. Question 1. Do you believe movie reviews? Personally, I take movie reviews with a grain of salt. They can be a helpful tool in deciding which films to watch, as they provide perspectives and opinions from critics and viewers. However, reviews are subjective and may not always align with your own tastes and preferences. Additionally, factors such as the reviewer biases, expectations, and personal experiences can influence their opinions. Therefore, while movie reviews can offer valuable insights, it's essential to use them as one of several elements in deciding whether or not to watch a movie. Question 2. What are the different types of films in your country? Okay, now is sample answer for question number 2. In Vietnam, we have a wide range of film genres to choose from. There are romantic comedies and heartfelt dramas that explore the complexities of human relationships or family and societal issues. We also have thought-provoking documentaries shedding light on various aspects of Vietnamese culture, history, and society. These films can offer insightful perspectives and foster a deeper understanding of our country's past, present, and future. Question 3. Are historical films popular in your country? Why? For question 3. Yes, certainly. For instance, a historical movie named Peach, Fur, and Piano has become the talk of the town recently. Historical films do seem to strike a chord with audiences in my country for many reasons. To explain, they offer an engaging and interesting way to learn more about important events or periods of history. By presenting historical events in a visually captivating or narrative-driven format, these films can bring history to life and make it more interesting for audiences. Furthermore, films depicting events from the past provide opportunities for younger generations to have more discussions and debates about history and its relevance to the present. So, historical films tend to be quite popular in Vietnam. Question 4. Do you think films with famous actors or actresses are more likely to become successful films? Okay, let's move on to question 4. Well, it can't be denied that films featuring renowned actors or actresses tend to enjoy greater success. These celebrities have a significant following and fan base, which translates into higher ticket sales and increased media coverage. Moreover, their involvement often attracts top-tier producers, directors, and investors, resulting in higher production values and wider distribution. Question 5. Why are Japanese animated films so popular? Japanese animated films, commonly known as anime, have captured the hearts of audiences worldwide for many reasons. Anime often delves into complex and thought-provoking themes, addressing universal topics such as friendship, love, courage, or personal growth. The accessibility of anime has also contributed to its popularity. With the proliferation of streaming platforms and online communities dedicated to anime, audiences in all over the world can easily access both classic series and the latest releases. Overall, those reasons make Japanese animations an instant hit wherever they go. And the last question is, should the director pay a lot of money to famous actors? And for the last question, whether to allocate a substantial budget to secure the talents of famous actors depends on a number of factors. While hiring renowned actors can enhance a film's marketability and increase its chances of success, it's important to weigh the cost against potential benefits. Factors such as the film's budget, the importance of the role, or the impact of the actor's star power on the overall quality or success of the project should be taken into account. In short, it's a strategic decision that needs to be weighed carefully. Ok, vậy là chúng mình đã cùng nhau giải quyết một vài các câu hỏi liên quan đến chủ đề movies trong part 3. Mong rằng các bạn đã học thêm được nhiều từ vựng cũng như là collocations trong chủ đề này. Các bạn cũng có thể chia sẻ ý kiến của mình bằng cách để lại bình luận ở bên dưới. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại các bạn ở những video sau.